Welcome back to our channel, Learn English Easier and Faster. Today, we're going to practice the past simple tense with 60 useful sentences. This tense helps you talk about actions that started and finished in the past. It is one of the most commonly used tenses in English. In this video, we'll practice in 3 main sections. First, finished actions at a specific time. Second, past habits and routines. And finally, past events and experiences. This tense is easier than it sounds. We usually add ed to regular verbs. Some verbs are irregular, so their past forms change. If you don't master this tense, it's hard to feel truly fluent. So, if you practice this video a few times, you'll improve a lot in a short time. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence after me. Let's dive in. Now, let's begin with finished actions at a specific time. I woke up early yesterday morning. I woke up early yesterday morning. I finished my work late last night. I finished my work late last night. I left the office at 6 o'clock. I left the office at 6 o'clock. I cooked dinner for my family yesterday. I cooked dinner for my family yesterday. I watched a movie last evening at home. I watched a movie last evening at home. I cleaned my room this morning before work. I cleaned my room this morning before work. I met my friend after work yesterday. I met my friend after work yesterday. I bought groceries yesterday afternoon at the store. I bought groceries yesterday afternoon at the store. I called my parents last weekend. I called my parents last weekend. I studied English late last night. I studied English late last night. I took a short break at noon. I took a short break at noon. I answered several emails this morning. I answered several emails this morning. I arrived home before sunset yesterday. I arrived home before sunset yesterday. I paid the electricity bill yesterday afternoon. I paid the electricity bill yesterday afternoon. I checked my messages earlier this morning. I checked my messages earlier this morning. I opened the shop at 9 o'clock. I opened the shop at 9 o'clock. I closed my laptop an hour ago. I closed my laptop an hour ago. I sent the file yesterday morning. I sent the file yesterday morning. I fell asleep very late last night. I fell asleep very late last night. Next, let's practice past habits and routines. I walked to school every day. I walked to school every day. I played outside with friends after dinner. I played outside with friends after dinner. I watched cartoons every morning before school. I watched cartoons every morning before school. I listened to music on the bus. I listened to music on the bus. I studied late during exam weeks. I studied late during exam weeks. I helped my parents with housework daily. I helped my parents with housework daily. I drank warm milk before bed. I drank warm milk before bed. I read books quietly after school. I read books quietly after school. I woke up early on weekdays. I woke up early on weekdays. I practiced English every night at home. I practiced English every night at home. I walked my dog every morning. I walked my dog every morning. I cooked dinner for my family often. I cooked dinner for my family often. I watched the news at 7 daily. I watched the news at 7 daily. I wrote notes carefully during class. I wrote notes carefully during class. I checked my phone too often. I checked my phone too often. I studied alone at night regularly. I studied alone at night regularly. I played sports after school daily. I played sports after school daily. I stayed up late on weekends. I stayed up late on weekends. I helped classmates with homework often. I helped classmates with homework often. Finally, let's talk about past events and experiences. I visited my grandparents last summer. I visited my grandparents last summer. I traveled abroad during my college years. I traveled abroad during my college years. I joined a small study group then. I joined a small study group then. I attended my first academic conference. I attended my first academic conference. I met my best friend there. I met my best friend there. I learned many lessons from mistakes. I learned many lessons from mistakes. I moved to a new city alone. I moved to a new city alone. I started my first full-time job. I started my first full-time job. I faced many challenges at that time. I faced many challenges at that time. I gained valuable experience early on. I gained valuable experience early on. I worked with different teams before. I worked with different teams before. I made important life decisions then. I made important life decisions then. I solved problems under serious pressure. I solved problems under serious pressure. I improved my skills over time. I improved my skills over time. I learned lessons from past failures. I learned lessons from past failures. I built confidence little by little. I built confidence little by little. I discovered my true interests early. I discovered my true interests early. Excellent job! You finished 60 useful sentences with the past simple tense. Did you find this video easy to practice and truly helpful? We believe that if you keep repeating it, your English will improve extremely fast. Thank you for watching Learn English Easier and Faster. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.